Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TikTok shop setup for dropshipping fulfillment, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the TikTok for Business website. Create a TikTok account if you don't already have one. Log in to your TikTok account using your credentials. Navigate to the TikTok shop area in the Business Manager. Select the Setup Shop option to begin configuring your shop. Choose between setting up a new shop or linking an existing one. If creating a new shop, fill in your shop name and description. Ensure your shop name reflects your brand identity clearly. Upload a profile picture that aligns with your branding. Select the appropriate business category that fits your offerings. Provide your contact information, including an email and phone number. Agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Next, configure your payment methods. Select from the available options, such as credit cards or PayPal. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen payment method securely. Once payment settings are complete, move on to shipping configurations. Input your shipping details, including rates and delivery times. Choose your preferred shipping carriers for fulfillment. Select whether to offer free shipping to increase sales potential. Now, add your products to the shop. Click on the Add Product button to begin uploading items. Input essential details like product title, description, and pricing. Upload high-quality images to showcase your products effectively. Set inventory levels to manage stock availability accurately. Enable dropshipping by designating suppliers for fulfillment. Select trusted suppliers with a good reputation to ensure reliability. Input the supplier's information and their shipping policies. Review your product listings to ensure accuracy and completeness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.